a boundless panorama. EzyPelmet creates this effect with remarkable ease. A steel pelmet system crafted for simplicity with lasting endurance, including a pelmet and wall track. The pelmet is effortlessly assembled, providing the freedom to install after fitting of the ceiling. Concealed fixings form a fluid connection, continuous, discreet. The EzyPelmet produces a seamless finish and a home for recessed lighting to illuminate interior landscapes. Out of sight, the spacious quality of a room is transformed. Modernism is defined by simplicity. Define your interior with EzyPelmet.